When Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia had a public meltdown on the tuob or steam inhalation issue,
between you and other doctors whom I have talked to, including Dr. Jimmy Bernadas, Regional Director of DOH, ato ko tuon nila, kaya mas taas naman sila experience. Ikaw, mura man lang, mo pa imong mo pamantingalin ni imong pagka-graduate, pero sikata na ni mo, uy, hawag na kakaayo. You're too proud, eh.
one netizen had this observation. Garcia explains it's because of her asthma. The lady governor stressed she needs her full mental faculties and wearing a mask for a long period of time will have a bad effect on her mental health. Garcia pointed out she wears masks on public events and posted these photos on her Facebook. The opening of the Bayanihan Quarantine Center, meeting at the office of the Presidential Advisor for the Visayas, and the opening of the NOAA Quarantine Complex.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.